Here at Nordex, we are in the privileged position to make a meaningful contribution to create a sustainable future for our planet. Nordex has been in South Africa since 2011, and during which time we installed 1 gigawatt of wind technology capacity, making us the market leader in the country. Our goal is to keep reducing the cost of energy at the time we contribute to the socio-economic development of South Africa. To do that, Nordex has been the pioneer introducing the concrete tower technology as our key value proposition in this market. We have a global track record of more than 1,800 concrete towers installed globally, and we are the only OEM with this technology installed in the country.
Nordex South Africa understands the DMRE's vision for transformation and economic growth through the energy sector in South Africa. We have invested in various programs focused on economic and social development in the form of the Nordex Education Trust, where we offer bursaries to Black students, with the beneficiaries being 60% of women. We also have an enterprise and supply development program, which is focused on supporting small businesses and assisting them in taking part in the mainstream economy. South Africa has a huge unemployment rate and poverty is very high in our country. We have focused on socio-economic development, where we work closely with our local communities to stimulate their economic growth and address their social challenges. With our programs, we strongly believe that we are contributing to the national agenda and the transformation strategy of South Africa.
We are fully committed with the just energy transition policy and with the target of growing a more sustainable Africa.